Hello, welcome back to another YouTube. What we have been on with is slightly different to something I've been used to. But we've actually been doing two 3.68 systems. A number of flats on this property, because the part of the flats are new build, they have been asked to include solar on those. What we have done is put 8 panels on this more easterly roof, and over on that side, which I'll show you in a minute, we have put another 8 panels on there. These are split to give the best all-round generation. So 4 of the panels this side, 4 of the panels that side are serving one of the flats, and then the other 4 and another 4 over there are serving one of the other flats, which gives them the best generation throughout the day for the east and west, rather than one flat having the east, one flat having the west. So you can see here we have our 8 Trina 455 watt panels. These are not bifacial, but they are dual glass panels, so they're the modern Trina. These are on Van der Valk vertical rails, vertical hooks, and then we have got the Pasfix bird mesh on there. You will see under there we have kept the MC4s off the roof. They are all tied to the rails. We've got our mesh going all the way around to stop any pigeons. So 1, 2, 3, 4 panels are serving one of the flats, along with 4 of the panels the other side as I mentioned, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the west face for the other flat up there. So let me take you round to the other side. Here we are on the west face. You've got 4 in landscape serving one of the flats, and another 4 in landscape serving the other flat. And this just gives the best generation throughout the day, rather than saying 8 panels on the east for one flat, 8 panels on the west for the other. Just means the generation's just a slightly bit more steady throughout the day, sized better for the consumption. These are all meshed as well. We have left room at the top there and over here for potentially in future if any of the other flats need solar adding. That, because there was 8, just made more sense to have them in the bank this way rather than trying to do 3 with 3. Just brought you upstairs now into the upstairs flat or apartment and show you we've got the Solax 3.68 inverter there. The system at 1.7 kilowatt, 1700 watts. There, you can see we've got our DC isolators for our east and west string. There, we have got our AC HO7 going into an AC isolator, existing Navitas fuse board there, and that is then taken into a 20 amp Navitas bidirectional RCBO. And we have got a little bit of finishing off to do with some trunking lids and end caps. Do their DC labels on our cables and DC labels throughout the run upstairs and across. But this one is on and generating, and we are just finishing off the install of the inverter for the second flat, which is downstairs. Just bringing you around in here, Brent is just making off the AC connections for our second 3.68 inverter on this downstairs part there, back into this Navitas board with a Navitas bidirectional RCBO, and he is rocking the Navitas t-shirt. Then we've just got the DC side to do and a little bit of testing on there. Already showed you the upstairs that's working. Yeah, about another hour should have this one wrapped up. So if you've got a renovation project, new build project, and you are looking for solar PV, then you can just see what some of the options are there. Nice simple system, two 3.68s. In fact, this day and age, it's not very often you get to do a 3.68 system. Generally, they're over 5 kilowatt or above, but it just shows you the flexibility you've got and the options there. Nice simple inverter setup, Solax, nice and simple for the tenants, nothing for them to really do, just enjoy the benefit of using less grid electricity. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you very much.